Hello, I'm Deepak Jacob Thomas. You're watching my channel DJ Thomas Edgeworld. Today's session will be explained on how to protect a worksheet. Most often in our daily work routine in working with Excel, we come to a condition where we type or try to edit a cell which is locked and it comes with a pop-up error. A cell of the chart that you're trying to change is protected and therefore read only. Let me explain this with the help of an Excel spreadsheet. Here I have data entered. The primary objective is that the blue cells, which is highlighted in blue color, should not be allowed to make any changes. That means whatever data I try to enter in should not be allowed to change. It should stay as it is, and if I try to overwrite it, it should give an alert message. Apart from that, that is the non-blue cells, I can change or make any data to be accepted in the spreadsheet. Let's see how can I protect this worksheet by choosing only the blue category to be non-editable and rest to be editable. Before that, please select the complete range of data, right click, go for format cells. In this custom list we get a small window. You have to go to the protection. Make sure this lock is given a tick mark, that is a checked, and give OK. Now press Ctrl key, select all the cells where you need the data to be entered, excepting the blue cells which is in highlighted blue color. Now again give the Ctrl key, right click, format cell, and make sure this lock is unchecked and give OK. Now the last step is that go to the sheet 1 which is in the lower left bottom, right click, give protect sheet and enter a password of your choice. I will enter say 123 is my password. It will reconfirm to enter the password. I'll enter 123 and give OK. Let's see whether the protection has been in effect or it is enabled. I will enter in any of the active cells. Say I want to make a change in data. Say I'll enter 35. Yes, it's making change in data. I'll enter 20 here. Yes, it is giving a data. But let me see whether the blue cell is in effect also. I'll try to click on this and try and enter any value. Yes, now since our primary objective was to make sure there is no changes to be done in this blue cell, if we type in any of the blue cell, we will get an error that the cell or chart that you're trying to change is protected and therefore read only. This method we can choose the individual cells to be locked and rest of the cells in our spreadsheet to be unlocked for editing. This is how we can protect a spreadsheet with a password. This completes the session of how to protect a spreadsheet. Thank you for watching my channel. Signing off, Deepak Jacob Thomas.